Captain Kidd. Welcome to my home, Kiddopia. You can do 1,000 things here. Create art with me. Hang out with my best buddies. We'll explore new skills and discover new worlds. Join my pals and me on amazing learning adventures here in Kiddopia, where learning is fun. Little Coders. Rocket Rescue. Whoa! The storm is headed straight for Alex's garage! Oh boy! Looks like all the parts got scattered everywhere! Don't worry, Alex! I'll help you find the parts! Let's do this! You're doing well! Going good! Keep it up! Perfect! Learn to code while going on exciting missions.
Junior Chef's Cafe.
Cupcake. Pick a flavor of your choice. Cookies. Drag and drop the flour. Cookies. Sugar. Baking powder. Butter. Egg. 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 Milk. Mix the ingredients. Great job! Pick a wrapper of your choice. Drag and drop the delicious batter. Put the tray into oven. What's a cupcake first? Frosting. Fruit. Cherry. Strawberry. Kiwi. Pineapple. Sprinkles. Straws and candles. Placemats. Straws and candles. Sprinkles. It's time to eat.
ABC Animal Adventures. Alphabet flashcards. A is for ant. B is for bee. A. Feed the animals. What does a dog eat? Grass. Yucky. Flower. Ugh, yucky. Bone. Awesome! What does a cow eat? Worms. Ugh, yucky. Bone. Ugh, yucky. Grass. Superb! What does a dog eat? Spot the difference. Keep going. Amazing! Uh-oh! You are too good! You are super! Let's try again. Way to go! pet salon. Puzzles. Well done. Magnificent!